Elements and atoms. Elements and atoms. What is matter? Elements and atoms. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Elements and atoms. What is matter made of? All matter is composed of elements. Elements and atoms. What are elements? The building blocks of matter. They are substances which cannot be broken down into other substances. Elements and atoms. What are elements? All matter is composed of one element or a combination of two or more elements. Elements and atoms. Elements can exist in combination with other elements as mixtures, compounds. Elements and atoms. What is a compound? A compound is a pure substance made of two or more elements that are combined chemically in a specific ratio. Salt minus 39.3% sodium and 60.7% chloride. Elements and atoms. What is a compound? A compound is a pure substance made of two or more elements that are combined chemically in a specific ratio. Water, H2O. Elements and atoms. What is a mixture? Two or more substances, elements, compounds, or both, that are in the same place but are not chemically combined. Sand, mixed nuts, air. Elements and atoms. If elements are the simplest forms of matter, what is the smallest piece of an element? Atoms. Elements and atoms. What is an atom? The smallest particle of an element. Atoms can join together to form molecules. Elements and atoms. What are atoms made of? Atoms are composed of particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are in the nucleus. Elements and atoms. What are atoms made of? Protons carry a positive electrical charge. Electrons carry a negative electrical charge. Neutrons carry no electrical charge at all. Elements and atoms. What are atoms made of? Protons and neutrons cluster together in the nucleus. The electrons orbit the nucleus. Elements and atoms. What are atoms made of? A particular atom will have the same number of protons and electrons. Elements and atoms. Atomic theory and models. Atomic theory is a scientific theory. What is a scientific theory? A well-tested idea that explains and connects a wide range of observations. Elements and atoms. Atomic theory and models. Atomic theory grew as a series of models that developed as scientists learned more about the nature and characteristics of the atom. Elements and atoms. Dalton's model. Dalton thought that atoms were like smooth hard balls that could not be broken into smaller pieces. Elements and atoms. Thomson's model. Thomson suggested that atoms had negatively charged electrons embedded in a positive sphere. Elements and atoms. Rutherford's model. According to Rutherford's model, an atom was mostly empty space. Electrons moved around a small, positively charged nucleus in the center of the atom. Elements and atoms. Bohr model. Niels Bohr suggested that electrons move in specific orbits around the nucleus of an atom. Elements and atoms. Cloud model. According to the cloud model, electrons move rapidly in every direction around the nucleus.